Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the tutorial on Human Resource Management course. The next we are going to learn is about the module 4. In module 4 the part 2 is Human Resource Accounting. What is this Human Resource Accounting means? The process of assigning, budgeting as well as reporting the cost of human resources incurred in an organization including the wages, salary as well as the training expenses. See, basically, human resource accounting means, first we need to make. So, what are the first we need to identify what are the human resources and what is the cost of these human resources to set up. Basically, it includes the salaries, wages, as well as training expenses. See, if I want to do a training as well as a development for any freshers, so the training cost will be done. So, what are the so how much should I invest on this training people? That all matters. So, this is about the human resources. Basically, it is the amount. It is the activity of knowing the cost which is invited for the employees towards their requirement, training them, payment of salaries and other benefits paid. See if the employee is doing his work best and what are the incentives I can give to him, what is the salaries, wages, what is the bonus I need to give, that all the accounting will be done. The concept of HR. Basically, we know that it is a new branch of the accounting. It means accounting for the people as organization resources. See, it is the measurement of the cost as well as the value of the people to the organizations, right? See, basically, the judgment of the people is very, very important. See, only if the person is capable of doing that job, then only they need to hire the people. So, when they hire the people, his performance has to be good. So, only if his performance is to be good, then the person will be go for the next level. So, if he goes to the next level, then the good bonus has to be given for them. So, all these procedures they need to make sure whether it is going in a systematic way or not, because see since guys it's not only with the one people, they are going to hire many people, so the amount it varies a lot. See, according to the Likert 1971, HRA serves the following purpose in an organization. What is the main purpose, why we need to study this human resource accounting, why it is very very important for the organization? First, it furnishes the cost value information for making the management decisions. A decision is very very important about the acquiring, allocating, developing and maintaining the human resources in the order to maintain the cost effectiveness. It allows the management personnel to monitor effectively the use of human resources. It provides a sound as well as effective basis of human assets control. It helps in the development of the management principles by classifying the financial consequences of various practices. As we know that, see if any economic crisis or any crisis occurs in organization, the organization as a whole is very responsible. In that, the HR manager is very very responsible for that, since he is the one who hires the people, right? So it is the main defect in him. So the HR manager should properly know that hiring of the people is done by him properly. Next, what are the main objectives of this human resource accounting? First, see there basically are five objectives we are going to learn. The first one it is to furnish the cost value information for making a proper and effective management decisions about same acquiring developing. See they need to monitor. See they need to effectively use these human resources by the management. See effective use of the management will be done so that the main performance of the organization it will try to increase a lot, to have analysis of human assets, whether such assets are conserved, depleted or depreciated. See from this human resource accounting we can get to know which candidate is doing his job best, that all. Next, to aid in the development of management principles and proper decision making for the future by classifying the financial consequences of various practices. It facilitates the valuation of human resource recording the valuation in the books of account and disclosure of the information in the financial statement. See the candidate's performance, his behavior, all will be note down. See even for this also, See, if they want to give the any services, if they want to give the loan to any people, they need to make all that. So how much does it cost to give for them? That all maintenance has to be done. Book of account. It helps the organization in making the decision in very following areas. If they inculcate this human resource accounting, the decision making skills will also enrich. See, basically it is direct recruitment versus the promotion, transfers versus the retention versus the retention, impact on budgetary controls. This is also very important. See, in human resource accounting, it's not just about the salaries and the wages of any employee, even the budget. See, if they want to set up this organization in the next level or in any other country, how much resources are required, how much manpower is required, and what is the cost to set up the buildings, that all matters a lot. Hmm. The next is about the advantages of human resource accounting. See, HR planning, it anticipates not only the required kind and the number of employees, but also it determines the action plan, how they are going to execute this. It is going to be made. It checks the corporate plan of the organization. See, this corporate plan, it is helpful for expansion, diversification, and the changes in any technological growth, etc. See, if the manpower is not available, see if the manpower is not available, then it will be a greatest disadvantage for any company, right? So, HR accounting, it suggests the modification of the entire corporate plan. It offsets the uncertainty and change, as it enables the organization to have the right person for the right job at the right time and the right place. Even this is also very important. See, basically they need to make sure that right person is a right person for the right job at the right time and the right place. Next, it provides the scope for the advancement and the development of employees by effective training as well as development. See, even human resource accounting, even it makes sure that a proper training as well as the development facilities has to be given for the employee in order to reach high. So that if the proper training as a development is given to the employee, then the employee can aspire for the promotion and better benefits will be given to him. See, it will be beneficial for both the employee as well as the organization. If the employee works very well, then his performance will be good and he will be give some of the promotions. So at the same way, if the employee is going to perform his work very well, even the organization performance will also reach high. It helps to take the steps to improve the employee contribution in the form of increase. It leads to the productivity increase. It provides the different methods of testing to be used, interview techniques to be adopted in the selection process. So based on the level of the skills, qualification and experience of the human resources. See, even if the main objective is that the interview process should go in a systematic and a good way, so that they can get to know what skills has to be given for the employee, what are qualifications they need to restrict, and what is the experience of the employee. It matters a lot. It can foresee the change in values, aptitudes, and the attitude of the human resources, and according to that they can change the techniques, right, for the interpersonal management. Next, the evaluation of this human resource accounting. See, till now we learned about what is this HRA, what are the objectives of HRA, and what are functions of HRA. Next, how we are going to evaluate the three methods: historical cost approach, replacement cost approach, and the opportunity cost approach. See guys, this human resource accounting, it's basically the evaluation of the human resources. See, they need to, basically it is the budget, it is the cost, it is the amount, all means the same. Basically it is the cost. See, the training as a development process for the infrastructure, and if they want to hire the people, and if they want to give any services to the employee, or if they want to give some laptops or any other equipments to the employee, all for that money matters a lot. So basically they're going to evaluate the cost, how much cost is needed for the employees growth at all. So if this human resource accounting properly, there's financial business, if it is maintained, definitely the organization performance will be reached high. So this is about the human resource accounting. So guys, so this is about the module 4 we have learned. So in module 4 we learned about counseling, communication and the human resource accounting. In the next module, module 5, we are going to learn about the trade unions, industrial relationship, how it is going to be there. I hope this video is quite informative for you. So if you want more videos on this human resource management, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.